In this quick video, I will show you how to easily add a take profit to your open position on Bitget. If you want to create an account and get the best sign up bonus possible on Bitget, you simply have to go down to the video description, click on the link, you will get to exactly this page right here, and you can get up to $8,000 of sign up bonus depending on how much you deposit and trade. You can receive all of these nice bonuses. Before starting out, I also wanted to quickly mention that you can try out the entire platform up here with the so-called demo trading feature. So before using your real money, I highly recommend you to check out that first. When you're signing up with the link from the description, you will also automatically get demo funds that you can use to try out the platform. So as you can see, we are currently right here in a long position on Bitget, and to add a take profit or stop loss, we simply need to scroll down right here, then click on full or partial position take profit or stop loss, depending on if you want to close the entire position at a take profit or stop loss, or you only want to close half of it, for example, and then add multiple stop losses or take profits. I'm going to show you how it works for a full. So you're just going to click on here, click on OK. And now we need to type in the price. You can also use the slide controller to choose how much profit you want to make. So let's say I want to make 48% profit. This means for me $87, and the price is automatically calculated and set in right here. And I can do the same for my stop loss. Let's say if I'm down 9%, you will see the price is calculated and I will make $16 of a loss at that price. So after it's set up, click on confirm it again, and you will see I already have it. Down here is my stop loss and up here is my take profit. Don't forget to create an account on Bitget by using the link down from the video description to get the best sign up bonus possible, which is up to $8,000 of bonuses. Once you clicked on the link, you will get to this page. You can enter your details and start right away. If you have any other questions, always feel free to ask them in the comments.